it's just going to come.
Yeah, you know what else they said? Women are second-class citizens and they condone slavery.
That's
the Bible's
why.
a silly book. You know, everybody would go crazy about the Bible, man. The Bible, it's in the Bible. I live my life by the Bible, but Listen, here's the bottom line about the Bible. You're not even reading the Bible, stupid. What you're reading is a version of the Bible that was translated first into Latin, then into Greek. The ancient Hebrew version of the Bible, they don't even know all the words. They only know a certain percentage of the words in ancient Hebrew. Like, they literally don't know what the words mean. And part of it's because letters were also numbers in ancient Hebrew. Like, the letter A is also the number 1. So, like, there's a certain numerical value to words that we don't understand.
Right.
You're getting the interpretation's the worst version of the grapevine ever. And then on top of that, the oldest version of the Bible, which is the Dead Sea Scrolls, is so fucking crazy that they don't even use it.
Yeah.
It's just so filled with these vague stories of trips and UFOs and visitations and all sorts of nutty shit.
That doesn't work.
According to John Marco Allegro, what the Dead Sea Scrolls was all about was them hiding their history of psychedelic mushroom use.
Yeah.
And they were trying to hide it from the Romans in stories. And the older you go back in these stories, the more you get to the original version of the story. And that's what it was all about. These guys were tripping their balls off, and it totally makes sense. If you were a bunch of idiots that was living, 7,000 years ago, or whatever the fuck they were, and, you're living with your stupid leather shoes, you got all sewn on you, and, you got some goofy-ass hemp clothing on, you're a dope. You don't know what's going on. You look at the stars every night, you wonder when the gods are going to rain fire from the sky, and then you stumbled across some mushrooms. And you ate them and ate way too many and had some insane, super psychedelic wind tunnel vortex tornado experience where the whole universe is like a giant ball of yarn and each strand of the ball is like hyper segmented with billions of planets and lives and trees and water, and you can see that for 5 or 6 hours and then come back. You're not gonna want the Romans to know about that shit, man. You're gonna want to hide all that stuff. That's what the Bible really is. What the Bible is a trip report.
Yeah.